All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. The folks over at One More sent over a nice set of earbuds here. These are true wireless earbuds. These are the Q21s, as you can see there. So just kind of looking around the packaging here, you can see some of the specs. You can pause this and read it if you like. 12mm drivers inside, Bluetooth 5.4, which is kind of making its rounds now that we're getting towards the end of 2025. Not a lot of products have Bluetooth 5.4, but this one does. You got an IPX rating. And you've got bass enhancements. So I'm going to pop this open here, give you my first impressions of the hardware and some sound quality. I'll unbox them, just show you what's in the box, and then I'll pause and come back with some thoughts on the quality of the sound. Let's see here. All right. Good presentation, as usual. Let's get them out here. Yeah, nice. Very nice. This is a nice looking set of buds. They are bright white. These blue tips obviously are on here just because, you know, you don't want it to charge in transit and run the batteries down. So they have to cover them up. You know this by now if you've been looking at earbud reviews. Let's put them in here for a second. They will get used in a moment. All right, so inside of here is probably going to be a charging cable. Maybe some more tips. Here's the manual. So it's a big manual for some earbuds. Like I think people know how to hook up earbuds. This is a little code here you can scan for technical support. On this side here, just some extra tips. And on the other side here will probably be a little charging cable. Nope, no charging cable. That's pretty strange that there's no charging cable in here. It's type C though, so I guess that's a first. Yeah, there is no, let me make sure I'm not going crazy. There is no charging cable in here. I am surprised. Normally there is a charging cable in these boxes, and there is not. I am shocked by that. Maybe because a lot of people already have a type C device and they decided, you know what, we're wasting money sending out these cables and people are not using them. So just taking a look at it here. Nice charging case. Let's check and see if the magnet. Oh yeah, magnet's good. Good magnet on it. The buds themselves, these are different. And I'm saying these are like a really bright white color. I haven't seen that. And also I like these. These are matte, no shiny, glossy. Only on this portion right here. And then you've got the little microphone there. You got your canceling microphones and everything around there. And you got the little metal contacts to charge. So I'm going to go ahead and pair these up, use them for a second, and I'll tell you what I think about them. That's for sure. Very nice. This is nice. I like these. And you got your serial number back there with the title of, with the model of them, the Q21s. Yeah, I like it. Let's get them fired up. I am kind of shocked though that there's no charging cable in here. That is a shocker to me. I'm totally shocked that there is no charging cable. I'm kind of floored. But let's power these up real quick and just I'll give you my thoughts on them. Okay. All right. So they might be onto something here. Obviously, you know, you can use a One More app. That's not a question. You know about that already. But I typically don't use the app. I just fire them up. If I want to adjust the equalizer, I will, but most times I just fire them up and start using them. And I'm pretty happy with the quality I can get. Right out the rib, these do have this enhanced bass that they're talking about. These have lots of, if you're a person who likes bass, or, you know, just certain genres of music, it just doesn't matter the genre. If you just want to hear all the bass, these are it. And it's not overpowering. It's not overbearing either. It's actually spot on. I am shocked at the quality of these because the price doesn't match the quality, meaning you're getting way more, no pun intended. You're getting one more. They have the one up on everybody because, wow. I mean, these sound incredible. And I'm just, the playing field now for earbuds, it's just so balanced. You know, the fit and finish of them are really nice. It's a matte feel altogether. So it's really nice with that. I like this case, nice basic case. They came charged at 100% too, so I was kind of glad about that. If I was in a pinch and I just need to rip these out and go, they were ready. I'll have to follow up on battery though, but these are probably going to be a very nice set of earbuds. They're very nice, very comfortable. I don't anticipate any fatigue or, from a long time use, like maybe 2 hours worth of use and phone calls. I think I'd be fine with these. I actually ranked them up there with my Galaxy Bud Pros, man. My 3 Pros, whatever the latest models are, I ranked them up there with those as far as quality for music. And those buds are really good. So we shall see, man. But here, one more is Q21s, man. These are actually really nice. Obviously, LDAC is a thing now. Most earbuds, if any earbud does not come with LDAC, I don't know. Something's probably wrong. You should probably pass on those. LDAC should be the standard by now. But just want to give you a quick video on these, man. I like them a lot. They're solid earbuds. I didn't think they would be bad at all because earbuds, the game is now saturated with everyone. So, having the ability to have all these options is actually really good, but it could be a little overwhelming. And so you start to just bear it down to price. Sometimes you can just leave it at price. And most times, there are a lot of more affordable buds like this that sound like the higher tier buds that I have that cost $500. You know what I mean? It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Links in the description. Take care.